Drive the car to the rear of the towing vehicle and stop approximately 2 meters away. Remove the bobbin caps. Screw in the eyes until tight but vertical. Ensure these eyes are removed when not using the A-frame. Nip up the lock nuts. Remove pins and clips from one side, attach in place and lock with pin and ring. Note, pin should engage with notch for additional security. Repeat with the other side. Make sure the central pins are fully engaged and secured with a pin and ring. Raise the hitch up, securing with lifting strap. Release the car's bonnet catch if the electronics are under the bonnet. Manoeuvre the car to the rear of the towing vehicle, lower the hitch and remove the lifting strap. Place the stainless steel safety rope over the tow ball. Make sure the coupling head is locked on. Connect the electronics into the towing vehicle socket. Place the elastic bungee around the brake pedal and secure, ensuring there is enough tension to return the brake pedal. Fit the brake pull bar between the brake cable ring and the swinging arm on the hitch. Swap number plates on the rear of the car. Turn the ignition key to position 1. Check the gear lever is in a neutral and the handbrake is off.